I want you to focus on what's truly important for you. Oftentimes in life, we can get so caught up with pursuing someone else's vision of success. We've read about success in magazines and books. We've talked to entrepreneurs. We've listened to podcasts. We talk to CEOs. We've talked to other friends that are more successful than us. And everybody gives us their version of success. And before long, we realize that ours is fully shaped and formed by outside opinions. And that's great. That's how it should be if we're in the presence of people that we admire and respect and trust. And yet don't ever, ever, ever let your view of success and what you're aspiring to accomplish, what you're going after, don't ever let that be devoid of your own definition of success, your own definition of what is most important to you. And so often people forget to identify success for themselves. They forget to ask the most important person what success should be, which is themselves, the things that they care about, the things that drive them, the things that inspire them, the things that move them and motivate them. And they get so caught up in chasing success from someone else's point of view and perspective. So don't ever forget to focus on what's most important to you. I want you to identify what you want your life to be about because of what you feel, what you desire, what you know, what you've experienced and encountered, and let that continue to manifest and shape and change based on what you encounter and what you learn day in and day out. But make sure that it comes from your own true heart, and make sure there is a huge place for that in what you define as success and what you focus on each day, because if you don't, you'll get to the end of someone else's journey for your life, and you'll experience success based on that definition, and you'll accomplish what you thought you wanted to accomplish, but you'll get to the end devoid of what you truly wanted in life, and you'll have wasted so much time and effort and energy accomplishing something for someone else's perspective rather than your own. So make sure that you're focused each day on what's most important to you, and make sure that you, above all things, your heart, the way that it's been manipulated and shaped and changed and encountered and encouraged by what you have gone through in life, what you've known in life, what you've learned in life, the people that you've met, but what is true to your inner heart, make sure that that defines ultimately what success should be for your life. Make sure that you check in on that often, and that will lead you to a great life.